What's going on, West Lawn Care people? Hitting you with another beatbox. What's today? Today is what? Saturday what? Say the 8th? I don't know. Today is June 8th, whatever the situation is. But if you can look behind me, I am getting ready to do a clean up. Let's walk the property. Hey, leave a comment below if you get caught up in watching yourself on the screen when you're recording versus looking at that camera that's right there on top, because I just did. All right, so we're walking, so you can see right behind me. We're gonna trim some hedges. Obviously, we're gonna cut the grass. Get these hedges knocked out. We're gonna have to make a nice edge. Of course, if there's trash, we definitely go pick up the trash. We'll do all that first. Whatever not brush, but like sticks and paper, things of that nature, pick that up. Definitely don't want to roll over that. And then we'll go from there, man. So this is the front. You can see they have nice Bermuda in the front, but they definitely got some weeds coming through, man. So this was definitely some sod that was put down. Then we'll go from there. So I might even trim those a little bit. Take those off. You don't want those down. But then over here on the side is where the property starts. I'll go over there and weed eat that, trim this hedge, and then we'll just go from there. So 10 in. I'm gonna hit you back. I'm gonna post it. And then just look at the comments below, man. I'll do a what's that thing called? Another after video. Then we'll go from there. Till then, enjoy your day. Cut some grass and beatbox, man. It's the only way to work. All right, the cleanup is done. Look around me. Cleanup is done. Let's walk backwards. So over here, there's a whole bunch of leaves from the magnolia trees, of course. Got those up. What I like to do is kind of mulch them up a little bit and then blow them. So I piled them around the tree, cleared that whole area out. There was nothing but English ivy. You know what? Let's walk around, because there's a little gate that's not completely put together. So we're just gonna do a little walk around. And I'm gonna cut through here, and bam, we on the side yard. So you can see that was stuffed up. Trim these hedges. Hedges got nice and trim. Those hedges got nice and trim. And this is the front. Y'all remember the front? The front was ridiculous. The front was ridiculous. So let me go up here by the sidewalk so y'all can see. Y'all can just look at it behind me as we walk through. Now, people can enjoy their front yard now. You want to come out there, get a little cornhole, you can enjoy it. Look at that. Looks a lot better. You can be proud of where you live. And that's what we want to do here at West Lawn Care. We just want to make you feel happy about your yard. You know what I'm saying? You pull up to it every day. You know what I'm saying? Just as much as the outside, or just as much as the inside, you want to enjoy the outside. That's why some of your summer functions go. Trim these hedges, these hollies. And here's the thing that shocked me. I didn't even know there was a sidewalk here. So apparently this must have been like another area for a carport or something. This house is really weird. I don't know the layout or whatever the situation is. But I'm getting ready to hop in this car and go enjoy my family, enjoy this rest. And hey man, do what you do. Go cut some grass.
Subscribe to the channel.